Welcome to Beyond Budget. Today we're taking a closer look at the Lenovo V15 Gen4, a business laptop designed to deliver solid productivity performance, easy upgradability, and great value for students and professionals. In this review, we'll examine the laptop's build quality, internal components, general productivity, gaming performance, upgradability, and more, so you can confidently decide whether it's the right fit for you. The Lenovo V15 G4 IRU comes in multiple configurations, with the base and higher-end models offering the same processor performance but differing in RAM and storage capacity. Our unit comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, an Intel Core i5-13420H processor, a 16GB of DDR4 RAM, a 512GB of SSD, and Intel UHD integrated graphics. Stick around until the end to find out whether this laptop is truly worth your money. And if you want to check out this exact configuration, you'll find the link below. Without further ado, let's dive into the details. Starting with the design and build quality, Lenovo clearly went for a professional aesthetic. The plastic polycarbonate chassis gives it a sturdy touch, though it can feel a bit flimsy under heavy handling, so it's wise to treat it gently for longevity. Weighing around 3.6 pounds or 1.65 kilograms, it's decently portable for daily commutes or travel, making it easy to slip into a backpack without much strain. The hinge feels solid, and there's minimal screen wobble when typing or adjusting the lid. Overall, it strikes a balance between simplicity and practicality, with a durable build that's made to last for years in typical office or student environments, but it might not hold up as well to rough use compared to premium models. The display is a 15.6-inch 16:9 Full HD TN panel, which is a mediocre panel for comfortable viewing angles. In the color accuracy test, it covers about 45% NTSC, making it average for basic use like office work, browsing, or streaming, but not ideal for color-critical tasks like photo editing. Brightness peaks at around 250 nits, so it's great for indoor use but may struggle in bright outdoor settings, with 400 nits being the minimum required nits for outdoor use. It also supports 60 Hz refresh rate, which makes everything feel smoother, from scrolling to light gaming, though it's nothing groundbreaking. In short, the screen is mediocre for the price. Lenovo clearly made a compromise on the screen department to give it more power for the lowest price possible. In terms of connectivity, you get USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 1 port with power delivery and DisplayPort, an HDMI 1.4 slot, an RJ45 Ethernet port, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 port, USB-A 2.0 port, a 3.5mm audio jack. Unfortunately, there is no standard card reader, and for wireless, there's Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. The inclusion of RJ45 Ethernet adds flexibility for professionals needing stable wired connections, while the USB-C with PD allows for convenient charging and external display. The keyboard is spacious with a numeric keypad and no backlighting as standard, with average key travel of about 1.5 mm that feels comfortable for long typing sessions, though it might lack the premium tactile feedback or spill resistance of higher-end laptops. The trackpad is smooth and accurate, and supports multi-touch gestures without lag, making navigation intuitive for Windows users. The webcam comes in at 720p HD with fixed focus, decent for calls, and a privacy shutter is a nice touch for added security in business settings. Speakers are stereo 1.5 watt with Dolby Audio and deliver clear mids with weak bass, good enough for calls and YouTube, but not for serious audio work or immersive media consumption. External headphones are recommended for better sound. Under the hood, the Intel Core i5-13420H powers the system. It's an 8-core 12-thread 13th gen chip with boost up to 4.6 GHz, providing high-speed processing that's perfect for multitasking and beats some older i7 models in benchmarks like Cinebench. The laptop comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, which handles multitasking well. The configuration is typically 8 GB soldered plus 8 GB in a single upgradable slot, giving you a maximum of 16 GB on this model. Since the V15 G4 is sold in multiple configurations across retail channels, you can choose the RAM setup you prefer from the start, reducing the need for future upgrades. Storage is handled by a fast 512GB M.2 PCIe NVMe SSD, providing quick boot times, fast file access, and smooth app loading. For graphics, the system relies on integrated Intel UHD graphics. This is sufficient for light creative workloads and everyday tasks, but it's not designed for GPU-intensive work due to the lack of dedicated video memory. Overall, daily performance feels snappy. Tasks like web browsing, office applications, document editing, and light content creation run smoothly, making this laptop a reliable option for students and professionals who need solid performance on a budget. Now moving to gaming performance, the Intel UHD graphics handles casual titles like esports or indie games at 1080p low settings, giving you around 30 to 60 FPS depending on the game. It's fine for light gaming sessions or older titles, but not ideal for modern AAA games or ultra settings, where you'd see frame drops and need to lower resolution significantly. Now moving to battery life and charging. Battery life comes in at around 4 to 6 hours during light use like web browsing and document work, and around 2 to 4 hours during heavy tasks, with a 38 watt-hour battery providing average endurance for its class but potentially less in performance mode or real-world mixed use. It charges with 65 watt support, taking about 1 hour to charge to 80%, thanks to its rapid charge capability, or full in around 2 hours. Overall, the endurance is average for a device that doesn't come with a dedicated GPU. It's suitable for a partial workday with optimizations like dimming the screen, but heavy users may need a portable charger for all-day mobility. In conclusion, the Lenovo V15 Gen 4 offers solid performance for its price, a practical port selection including Ethernet for stable connectivity, and support for expandable storage. However, it falls short with its average display color accuracy, limited real-world battery life, the lack of a standard backlit keyboard, and a build that may feel flimsy under rough handling. Overall, it's a great fit for students and business professionals who need dependable everyday performance, good portability, and strong value without overspending. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Beyond Budget for more tech reviews and comparisons.